Welcome back. Another one of these sporadic unboxings of stuff. Um, more just for anyone that needs or wants to have a look at it without buying it. These are the Elder Scrolls tabletop game, Stormcloak Skirmishers. Should be 6, basically town guard, or usable as a town guard in your Elder Scrolls or whatever you want to do it in. I picked 2 of these up for a tenner each, so well below market value, still sealed. Just gonna take a look at them now. I do like my Elder Scrolls stuff. I don't get much time to delve or do the RPG, not even Morrowind or Oblivion. Oblivion always was my favourite, but I did end up just through the console usage and PC usage having to spend more time in Skyrim. Not that I'm complaining, but it is what it is. So in this we should have 6 scenic bases, 2 archers, a standard swordsman with 2 swords, a huntsman, and then a swordsman with a shield. This should look like this, so yeah. Enjoy my British accent. I kid. Melifeous resin, I like it. It's good, clean, cast stuff. It's not necessarily the best resin, but it's a good deal better than the likes of the TT Combat or any of that nasty stuff. Hand separated, that's not too big an issue, it's not broke. And then some in here too. Oh, I thought that was a broken bow. Thankfully, I looked at it that way and thought that bow was broken, but it's not. So yeah, mold lines aren't overly existent. A bit of flash in there. Heavy gate, so that's always a delight, and that looks like it's going to be a bit of fun to clean up. Good facial expression. None I hate. Well, there's a bit I hate more than just a goofy looking expression. But yeah, I wonder if... Where? What's that guy? This guy here. His sword is broken by the looks of it. I think so. Like I said, I do have another one, but it kind of does look like it, but it doesn't at the same time. Yeah, I think he's got a broken sword, I think. So this is this guy here. And his sword... There we go. So that is meant to be there. Not ideal. Take a bit of pinning, but should go together easy enough. Yeah, very few mold lines, a bit of flash. And as always, they all get cleaned up. It's focusing on these bases in the back. Just generic. Those are just generic bases, 30mm bases. I don't mind resin cast bases, make detailing it easier, but it is what it is. Let's see. There's the one with the full helm. refusing to focus. So, and shields. I do believe the shields were done this way to allow you to stick any of the houses on it or the region sigils on it. Don't know which one I'll go with yet. I could always be a bit heretical and make my own. There's another one. Reasonably flat. Probably just run a bit of sand over the base of it as well. The archers. Right, these ones are my preferred. Somebody for that age-old classic meme about taking an arrow to the knee. Base is slightly different, almost as if you're in the likes of River Run or out in the wilds, but following the trail. So that's those two bases. There's a quiver and another generic base. Suppose if you didn't want to, you could just get generic 30 mils and do them up as you wanted. But where's the fun in that? Bit of flash around that bow. Not 100% convinced those bows will survive much, but they're big enough to thread if you wanted to. Good bit more flash on them as well. Why is that not? Sorry folks, I see isn't really focusing. So yeah. Then another more at rest archer. I think if I was going to, I would string each of these bows because they are a good size for it. They're a good thick chunky thing rather than a wee spindly bit of resin. These bowmen do have a lot more flash on them, but as you can see, there's just, I don't even have a sharp nail, it's flaking away. So yeah, all in all, I like them. Will they see much action? No. Will I have good fun painting them? Absolutely. Is that why I bought 2 sets of them? 100%. So those are the parts. One small breakage, bit of a disappointment, nothing major, easily replaced or changed to maybe a dragger blade or something that I 3D print just for the sheer fun of it and the customization aspect of it. But till next time, thanks for watching.